Yo, what's up guys? Chanky here. Today we're gonna do some cooking. So there will be my cooking video for Tran Studio channel. I will have some cooking video in this channel. I will not make a new channel, but I will do in this channel in my personal YouTube channel called Tran Studio channel. So by the way, so let's get started. So look what I have here. We have the premier white chicken, fruit, light, balanced, fully cooked right there. You can see it. So, instruction in the back. It say to use, squeeze the pouch gently to separate chicken. Tear or cut pouch at the not to open. Drain any excess juice. Add chicken directly to your favorite soup or salad or recipe. Refrigerate unused portion in separate container. Here are the instructions in the back corner. By the way, my cousin in the back in my camera, he helping recording. So, and so let's see if I do it correctly. So sweet okay, sweet the pouch only just separate the chicken. Okay, here you go. Here guys. Oh my gosh! Look at this, guys. Can you see the chicken in there? You see the chicken in there?
I did not see chicken in there.
Oh yeah. So let's do this. So squeeze the chicken. Ooh. Let's do a little bit more. Oh my gosh, so good. Let's do this. So you see the chicken here?
Yeah, I can see it.
Big, yummy. There we go. Taste it. 3, 2, 1. This is good, guys. Let me see how many proteins there. 9 protein, 0 sugar, dietary fiber 0 gram, total carbohydrate 1 gram, sodium 160 sodium, cholesterol 35 milligram, fat 0 gram, saturated fat 1 gram, total fat 3.5 gram. The calories are 80 calories from fat 30. 7 pear size, 2 oats, 56 grams. 13 pear container, 5. Yeah, guys. It's super good, guys. It's super good. Alright, guys, that's so good. By the way, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed video like this video and want to see more videos like this. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time. Cheers, and we're off here. Peace!